You do it.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the Papa. How are you?
I'm good.
I'm good. Just give me a second.
Are you ready to order?
Yeah, we're ready to order.
We're ready.
Okay,
Go ahead.
okay. I need a double cheeseburger and hold the lettuce. Dummy front son, no seeds on the bun. Be up in this drive-through. Order for two. I got a craving for number 9 like my show. I need some chicken up in here in this grizzle. First, my mizzle, extra salt on the grizzle. I have to put my brother. Another for your mother. Double super sides and don't forget the fries. You get that?
No, I didn't get that.
Okay. I need a double cheeseburger and hold the lettuce.
Oopsie. Thug life. Okay, we gotta book it home.
Go, bitch.